Rajat Bose from RajatKBose.com joins in from our Kolkata studios. Rajat, to start off with, you've got the IIP number. It really failed to excite the markets. Let's talk about levels that you think the Nifty needs to pierce in order to hold on to the 5900 level with conviction.
I would say in that case you have to look at the range between 59.43 and 59.65. That is yesterday's high. Once you close above this range, then Nifty would definitely show the needed strength to sustain above 5900 levels, or better still 5950 levels, and then we can expect the Nifty to move towards 6000 kind of levels. But as of now, what I would like to point out here is that if you ask me for the probability as at today, or as I said even yesterday, that Nifty and Bank Nifty both are looking pretty vulnerable, in the sense that if you find that 59.07 to about 58.95, this range is violated by the Nifty on the downside with good volume, and if it sustains below 58.95, chances are that we would actually slide down and test yesterday's low of 58.65 once again. And if by any chance, either today or tomorrow, we happen to close firmly below 58.35, then this short-term uptrend termination confirmation will come. But as of now, if you ask me, is it a downtrend? No. Is it an uptrend? I would say that is already terminated. What is happening now is a range-bound sideways kind of movement, where most people who continue to remain bullish would try to buy any kind of strength, but that could be an anathema, in the sense that if you buy at higher levels, chances are you would be greeted with more selling pressure. So one needs to be very cautious and vigilant at current situations. And out of these two indices, that is Bank Nifty and the Nifty, Bank Nifty looks much weaker. In fact, it can slide down. It can slide down to test the 12,000 mark as well going forward, given the kind of trading we have seen over the last 4 days. Especially yesterday's kind of trading suggested that the directionality that we saw, that was on the upside, is temporarily halted. Maybe it is a small correction, but it's temporarily halted. So be wary of buying on strength, at least for the day.
Rajat, what's on your list today?
See, what was on my list say about 20 minutes back, when I sent my recommendations to your research desk, the Bank Nifty and the banking stocks as a whole, they were looking pretty bad. Of course, there is a spike after this news has been flashed. But still, I tend to think that Bank Nifty might not really sustain above, say, 12,455 to about 12,475 kind of range. So I would like to revise the stop to 12,475 and continue to give a sell recommendation with a target of 12,232 to about 12,185. If stop loss doesn't trigger, carry on with the position till tomorrow. And the other stock, that is ICICI Bank, good opportunity that you are getting, that the things are moving up. I mean, ICICI Bank has also parked up to 1125. So keep a stop loss above 1145 on closing price basis, and target 1103, 1099 and 1091. Just like the IIP numbers, I think this is going to be a very short-lived affair, this upswing that you see in the banking stock.